If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident in California, you may be wondering how your settlement will affect your taxes. The good news is that most of your settlement is typically tax-free. Money awarded for your medical expenses, physical pain, emotional distress, or a loss in quality of life isn't considered income. It's just restoring what you've lost. However, not every dollar is off the hook. Compensation for lost wages is usually taxable because it replaces your regular income. Money received for property damage or any punitive damages included in your settlement can also be subject to taxation. And because every case is different, it can be valuable to speak with both your personal injury attorney and a tax professional to determine which parts of your settlement can be taxed. At Maison Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. And that starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you've been injured in a motorcycle accident in California, contact Maison Law right away.